Hi, I'm Tim from AutoZone. Today we're going to talk about the signs to look for that indicate it's time to replace your battery. Typically, the average car battery life is between 3 to 5 years. Pushing a battery longer, even under perfect driving conditions, could cause your battery to fail without notice. When your battery is around 3 years old, it's time to get it tested with our free battery testing service at AutoZone. There's an AutoZoner that can quickly test your battery and your charging system and make sure that your battery is working properly and that the charging system is getting the battery charge it needs to maintain while running. Car batteries are designed to provide a powerful, quick, high amperage current to the starter to start the car and then constantly keep a charge maintained by the alternator. However, a few issues can cause a battery either not to retain that charge or not supply the proper current to start the car. All batteries, if they're inactive, are slowly going to discharge. So if a battery is inactive for a long time or your car has a parasitic drain within the electrical system, the battery will slowly drain below the volts that it needs to properly start the car. This means that batteries will have to start the car beyond its starting cycle, which it's not designed to do. Over time, the battery will need to be recharged, or worse, the car jump started, leaving the alternator to do the work of charging the dead battery. Either way, a battery can only take so much of this before it can't be recharged again. Batteries are made up of lead grids submersed in electrolyte, which in this case is sulfuric acid. But after road vibrations, a hot engine bay, or experiencing temperature changes either from the engine or from the weather, a battery can simply structurally fail, which often is referred to as a dead cell. When a structural failure happens, it's time to replace your battery. Similar to slow discharging, a rapid discharge or overcharge often happens when the alternator fails. If an alternator begins to overcharge the battery, the electrolyte can boil over, leak, and eventually the battery fails. If the alternator stops charging or there's a break in the charging circuit, the car's electrical system and ignition system will run off of the battery, which quickly drains it. In most cases, if an alternator issue is quickly identified, fixed, and the battery is properly recharged, the battery can be saved. However, the battery usually fails at the same time that the alternator does due to its rapid discharge. So it's time to swing into AutoZone for a new battery. And remember, whatever battery you choose, the important thing is to keep track of what's going on with your vehicle and know when you need to test or replace your car battery. You can always stop by your local AutoZone for free battery testing service or any other battery issues that you might have. Learn about your battery and more on our channel, and be sure to like and subscribe below.